That's all, team. I have explained the code now. Let us see the demonstration now. For that, we have our old vehicle speed transmitting function, which is nothing but a GUI with a trackball, right? So that is here, it is pointing 0. Then we have, right? Now I am running my ICM module, right? I have a meter here in my GUI. The meter is pointing 0. The vehicle speed is 0. The gauge is also showing 0. Now I slowly moving it to 30 km per hour. When I set it to 30, it is pointing 30 km per hour. When I move that to 60, interesting, it is pointing to 60. This is kilometer scale. This is mile scale actually.